Proper brake pad service is essential for maintaining safe and reliable braking performance. In this procedure, we'll walk through how to change brake pads on your Can-Am Defender HD11. This procedure will require standard hand tools, lifting equipment, brake cleaner, and a C-clamp. The full tool list is in the description. Begin by parking the vehicle on a level surface. Slightly loosen the lug nuts while the vehicle is still on the ground. Then lift the vehicle and securely support it with jack stands at the recommended lift points. Once properly supported, remove the lug nuts and take off the wheel. Locate the brake caliper assembly. Loosen the brake pad retaining pins, then remove the caliper mounting bolts. Carefully slide the caliper off the knuckle. Remove and discard the retaining pins and worn brake pads. Never allow the caliper to hang by the brake hose. Support it securely using a bungee cord attached to the suspension. Clean the caliper housing and piston surfaces using brake cleaner to remove dust and residue. To create space for the new pads, slowly compress the caliper pistons. Place an old brake pad against the pistons and use a C-clamp to press them evenly back into the caliper. This helps prevent piston damage and ensures even retraction. Confirm the brake pad spring is correctly positioned. Install the new brake pads into the caliper. Then insert new retaining pins. Inspect both sides of the brake disc for scratches and check for warpage, then measure disc thickness, ensuring all values meet the specifications outlined in your operator's guide. Clean the brake disc surface with brake cleaner to remove contaminants. Reinstall the caliper onto the knuckle and torque the mounting bolts to specification. Torque the brake pad retaining pins as outlined in your operator's guide. Reinstall the wheel and hand tighten the lug nuts in a crisscross sequence. Lower the vehicle and torque the lug nuts to specification. Before operating the vehicle, slowly depress the brake pedal several times until firm pressure is felt. This seats the brake pads against the rotor. Perform a cautious, low-speed test drive to confirm proper brake operation before returning the vehicle to normal use. This completes the brake pad replacement procedure for your Can-Am Defender HD11. Following proper installation and torque procedures helps ensure consistent, dependable braking performance.